We all need extra fluids in the hot weather. Babies who are breastfed will need to feed more frequently. Breastfed babies don't need any extra water. Babies that are formula fed may need extra water throughout the day. Sips of cooled boiled water is fine. And then toddlers and older children, like us all, will need to keep hydrated throughout the day, so we'll need lots of extra drinks. Going out and about with a baby under 6 months, you really need to avoid a direct sunlight, and so we advise a parasol on the buggy, making sure that there's good airflow. Never ever use a blanket or a sheet to cover the baby, apart from not being able to see them and keep a check on them. What's very important is that the baby could overheat, so a parasol out of direct sunlight is the key thing. For older children and toddlers, it's important that they use sunscreen, a high factor sunscreen, reapplied regularly every couple of hours, and especially after swimming or using a towel. And then clothing is important as well, so the toddlers will need hats and long sleeve cotton clothing to make sure most of their bodies are covered and there are well shaded areas. So it's really hard in this hot weather to keep the house cool, but things that you can do are to keep the curtains and the blinds closed during the day. At night, if it's safe to do so, you could open a window and you could even have a fan on, but just to make sure that's not directed straight at the baby. It's a good idea to have a room thermometer just to make sure that the room isn't getting too hot, so that you can make some adjustments if it does. And if it's very hot weather, some babies will be fine just sleeping in a nappy or even a nappy and just a little vest top.